In this video, I'll talk about how you can connect a broker to TradingView. So what you want to do is head over to the super charts. Once you're on the chart, what you want to do is make sure you log into an account, head to the bottom and find Trading Panel. Click on Open Trading Panel, and in here you'll be able to see all of the brokers. So once you're in here, you simply want to select the broker that you have an account on, and you can just choose any of them. So you can select any of them, or you can do paper trading if you want to have a demo account. So simply select the one, click connect, and then you have to log into that account. And once you've done that, it will be connected. Now for paper trading, you just want to click and like this. And now you can see I have a paper trading account. If you want to log out of it, click here and press log out. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.